Are you tired of the same old Shopify announcement bar that every Shopify store uses at the top of the page? Yeah, I know I am. And if you are too, you're in the right place. Announcement bars are handy to inform new or returning customers about important info in your store, like new releases and new sales you're running. But if you want to actually get clicks and engagement on your announcement bar, you need to be a bit more creative than everyone else. In this video, I'll be showing you a few creative ways that I've seen different Shopify stores use an announcement bar. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm Patrick from Kodak Converts, and my mission is to help you get more traffic to your store and get more sales so you can make more money and grow your business. I know it might seem like a small thing to you, but announcement bars are a key piece of screen real estate on a Shopify store. And like any good real estate property, you need to make sure you use it properly. If you're watching this video, chances are you're not even using an announcement bar yet, or you're using it the same way that everyone else does. Well, I'm here to fix that by showing you 5 creative ways I've seen Shopify stores use an announcement bar. And stick around to the end of the video because I've got a free gift for you that can help you track the performance of your announcement bar so you can always know what's working and what isn't. Alright, let's get into it.
Okay, our first example is taken from Marque.com, and you can see up top in the announcement bar it says you are only $99 away from free shipping. So what we have here is an announcement bar that lets you know how many products you have left to add to your cart to be eligible for free shipping. So a free shipping announcement bar. Let's test it out right now. Let's add a product to our cart. And as you can see, once I added the product to my cart, the threshold went down. So it went from what it was before to now it's $47.57. So this is an incredible use case for an announcement bar and is well deserving of the #1 spot, in my opinion. This is the kind of thing that you would have to download a Shopify app for to get it to work properly. But to be honest, your boy can do it for you without a Shopify app at all. So if you're interested in a tutorial on how to create a free shipping announcement bar on your Shopify store without using an app, please hit me in the comments down below and let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. If not, well, just use an app to do this. Either way, great use case for an announcement bar, and it's our #1 pick for the video. Okay, so example 2 takes us to the wonderful world of home and garden for an oldie but a goodie. You can see in the announcement bar text up here, it says, Spring Black Friday is back. Take up to 45% off top rated tools, shop now. This is a link you can click leading you towards a collections page. Now you might be thinking to yourself, hey Pat, this is not new. We all knew you could do this, and you're right, this isn't new. But you'd be surprised how many Shopify merchants don't take advantage of this. In their announcement bar, they just put up some basic text up top with no link or no button taking the customer anywhere. You want to leverage that screen real estate to send the customer somewhere. Some places you could send them would be the product page for a new product you just launched, a collections page like they've done here, or you can send the customer to some kind of opt-in offer on your page somewhere to get them to join an email list, or to get them to book an appointment with you. So many options you can use for this. So if this is something you're not doing in a Shopify store already, it's quick and easy, and you definitely should be doing it. So that's example number 2. This next example takes us to a website called shopzuri.com. And this is definitely a creative use case for an announcement bar, but sadly, it's something that's really not going to work out for you. It's something that I don't want to see you do personally, unless you don't care about making money. If you don't care about making money, then please, by all means, please do it. But if you, like me, you care about making money and not wasting your time, well, pay attention to this. So you can see the text sliding through the announcement bar. This is called a Marque effect. And it's one of those things that's very commonly searched on Shopify forums and on YouTube channels, like, how do I create a Marque effect to my announcement bar? Listen, you don't want to do this. This is the kind of thing that users don't even pay attention to. Studies have shown that things like this, the text is moving, users don't pay attention to the text that's moving, and they have no control on how to see text that they missed in the event they actually do want to see it. Now let's see how this works on mobile. Let's see on an iPhone. So on an iPhone, you can see that it still works pretty fine, but it stops moving when someone clicks it, and if they click somewhere else, it starts moving again. So if a customer does notice it and decides to stop it, I guess it could be useful. but you're probably better off just deciding what the most important marketing message on your Shopify store is at that moment in time and using a basic announcement bar like example 1 that I showed you earlier or example 2. Much better use of your time. You could try it if you want, but studies have shown that this kind of thing doesn't convert very well, so please don't waste your time, though it is very creative. Okay, so for our fourth example, we're taken to countrycuties.com in the land of clothing. Now, you see up here, this announcement bar, spend $125 to get free shipping. This site actually kind of has 2 announcement bars. Pick one announcement bar, don't have to. But either way, as you scroll down, you see how this announcement bar is sticking to the top. This is what we call a sticky announcement bar. This is another great use case of how you can use an announcement bar. For another example, let's take a look at elsewalker.com. Up here, if we scroll down, you can see that this bar and the navigation menu are sticking to the top of the screen. This is really good if you wanted your customer to see a link or a button or some kind of message about your store. They're gonna see it as they scroll throughout your store. They're always gonna see it. In this case, there's no specific message they have up here, but like in Country Cuties, they have a message, spend $125 to get free shipping. Now, generally speaking, when you do this kind of thing, you wanna make sure it looks good on mobile screens as well. But as you can see, it's following us on mobile screens just fine. So this is another example of how you can use an announcement bar. It's relatively simple, and I think it's something that you could consider doing for your Shopify store as well. Okay, so this last example is actually my favorite. Just like the first example with the free shipping bar, this is an incredible use case for an announcement bar, and I just had to share it with you. So on top of having some pretty bridesmaids for me to look at, which is appreciated, up here you can see in the announcement bar, they're running an April sale with a countdown timer and a link sending you off to a collections page. No, this is just a regular page, not a collections page. But either way, countdown timer is a good move. Now, if you've never heard of a term called FOMO, it stands for fear of missing out. It taps into a customer's urgency and their need to purchase something. So just by putting a countdown timer on a sale you're running, people are gonna wanna buy the product so they don't miss out. This is something you should definitely be trying on your Shopify store if you haven't tried it already. So this is another incredible example. And actually, I'll be creating a tutorial on how to do a countdown timer on your Shopify store without using an app as well. So if that's something you're interested in, please let me know in the comment section so that I know that's something you guys want me to make sooner rather than later.
Okay, before I close out the video, I need to keep the promise that I made to you earlier. I said that if you stuck around to the end, I have a free gift you can use to test the performance of your announcement bar. So you can always see how many clicks and how much engagement it's actually helping you get that leads to sales. This gift I'm about to share with you will help you do that. And it'll even help you analyze the performance of any part of the design of your Shopify store. That way, you'll always know what's working on your store and what isn't. Okay, I don't have my drum roll on me right now, but this free gift I'm talking about is a free training that I put together to help you learn how to make data-driven decisions in your business. You've probably heard this one before, but it's often said that the key to growing any business is making data-driven decisions that align with what your customers want from you as a brand. That sounds cool and all, but no one really tells you how to get started with doing that. So I want to help you out. If you check the description of this video, there's a link that'll send you to a page that talks all about this training. So I want you to click the link and scroll to the bottom of that page and sign up so you can get access to a private members only video that I put together that'll walk you through the entire process that you need to start making data-driven decisions in your business today. This is the kind of thing that a Shopify expert would charge you hundreds of dollars for, and I'm giving it to you for free. So go check it out now. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.